I don't talk about my dad much, but yeah, it's always been weird. Not dramatic, just heavy. Like there's stuff sitting in the room that no one ever brings up. For a long time, I didn't even realize how much that shaped me. I just stayed busy, distracted, did whatever I could to not sit with it too long. When you start getting clean, or just more honest with yourself, that stuff comes back up. Not to mess you up, but to get sorted. You realize you're not really mad, you're just tired of carrying it. And I'm learning you don't need closure for everything. Sometimes you just need to stop letting old dynamics run your life. That alone changes a lot.